Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good morning to my beloved lecturer, which is Miss Yati, who is watching this video. So this is my final presentation for my final assignment in this semester. So before we begin, I would like to introduce myself, because my name is Mustafi Ikhwan bin Abdullah. I am from the A2423A. So what I am selling for my business, for my assignments, is product called Sambal Ikan Bilis. So Sambal Ikan Bilis. Why I'm selling Sambal Ikan Bilis? Because I receive a lot of response from my friends and family that they love Sambal Ikan Bilis. So I believe that it's a profitable product for me to sell for my business. So the unit price for my products, I am assuming that I will be selling at 12 ringgit per unit. Why I'm selling at 12 ringgit per unit? Because the competitive price for the sambal ikan bilis is around 8 ringgit to 15 ringgit per unit. Hence, maybe it is suitable for me to sell it at 12 ringgit per unit, but uh, it is just an assumption for me. So next we have unit cost. I'm assuming that the unit cost for me to produce 1 unit of sambal ikan bilis is around 5 ringgit. So how do I get 5 ringgit? It is over here. And the total cost, the variable cost per month is, we have ingredients, plastic container, and labor. So for ingredient, we have brown sugar, tamarind, chili paste, sugar, oil, and anchovies. So the total cost is around 2,500 ringgit. And then we have plastic container for me to sell my product. Of course, I need a container to sell. So I'm assuming 1,000 ringgit. So while I am assuming it 1,000 ringgit because my early assumption to produce my production volume per month is 1,000 units. Hence, I will be needed 1,000 plastic container for me to sell my product. Next, we have labor. Of course, I need worker for me to help produce 1,000 units of sambal ikan bilis per month. So I have 3 worker, which I pay them 450 ringgit each. So the total cost that I will need to pay for labor is 1,350 ringgit per month. So the cost for all of this is 4,850 ringgit per month. So this is per month. So how do I get the total cost per unit, which is 5 ringgit? I am dividing this 4,850 ringgit with 1,000 units, which is in my earlier assumptions for my production value. So I will get 5 ringgit as my unit cost. Then we go to fixed cost. So I am assuming that I will only need to pay my machinery to produce my products on my bilis. So maybe around 1,000 ringgit per month. Then we go to the demand for my best cases, of course, is 1,000 ringgit. And for my worst case, maybe at least I will sell my product 500 units per month. So next we go to number of days per month. We have 30 days per month. So I'm assuming that will be working around 5 days per week. So in a month we have 30 days of working. And I will selling my product at discount price maybe around 5 days. And the balance will be sold at full retail, which is 15 days per month. So the another 10 days balance, I will close my productions. So for me to rest, for my workers to rest in a month. So next we have discount rate for clearance sales. My early assumption is 18%, and for my intermediate sales is 20% per 20% per month, which is for discount rate intermediate sales. Then for me, if I want to buy my product from other supplier, I will assuming that the cost for me for outsourcing is 10 ringgit per unit. And then we go to revenue. Total revenue per month, I'm assuming for my best cases is 12,000 ringgit. And the profit for my best cases is 7,000 ringgit per month. And for my total revenue, of course, we have maybe for worst cases is 7,000 ringgit. And for my profit, for my worst cases is at least I will get 2,000 ringgit per month. So this is just my earlier assumption. So I need to know whether my unit price, which is 12 ringgit, is suitable for me to have a revenue 12,000 ringgit and a profit 7,000 ringgit per month. So is it suitable for me to be selling my production as 1,000 unit per month and gaining the revenue and the profits? So I need to know whether it is suitable or not. So we go next is for my profit model. We have both for my best cases and worst cases. So this is how I calculated whether it is suitable or not. Sorry. So after calculating it, I am insufficient for me to get my early assumptions with profit is 7,000 ringgit, but I only get 6,000 ringgit. So what is the perfect price for me to get both enough of the revenue, which is 12,000 ringgit, and 7,000 ringgit of profit to sell my product for my best cases? So I'm using one way table only for me to sell my product. So this is the price, this is the revenue, and this is the profits. So after calculating it, I choose to sell my product at 13 ringgit per unit. Why? Because I can get above 12,000, which is 13,000 as my revenue, and 7,000 ringgit as my profit, which is meet my early assumptions for my best cases. So I will revise my selling my product for best cases at 30 ringgit per unit. Help me gain revenue for both my early assumptions, total revenue, and total profits. Next, we have profit model for my worst cases. So this is my calculation. It is the same as my profit model for best cases, but this is for worst cases. So I'm assuming that for my worst cases, I will get at least total revenue of 7,000 ringgit and total revenue of total profit of 2,000 ringgit. Instead, I get only 6,000 ringgit and 0 profits. So I will need to change my production volume, or my price. So I'm using this one with table. After calculating it, maybe I can sell my product at 50 ringgit and gaining revenue 7,500. But I will not get a profit of 2,000 ringgit. Instead, I only get 1,500 ringgit per month. So this is not the suitable price for me to sell my product, which is some evidence. So I'm using the two-way table for me, which is whether to change my production volume to help me gaining a profit of 2,000 ringgit. So I am changing this is the price and this is the unit quantity produced that I will be changing to gain a profit of 2,000. So after calculating it, I am assuming that I will choose 12 ringgit, still selling my product at 12 ringgit during worst cases, but I will reduce my production volume to 500 or 600 units per month to help me gain revenue 2,000 or 2,500 and above. So I will revise my assumptions. Maybe I will be selling my product into 30 ringgit per units, and my production volume only for my worst cases, which is 600 unit per month. But for my best cases, I'm still selling it at 1000 units. So, and then we go to markdown pricing. I need to know whether it is suitable for me to sell my product at the intermediate sale 20% and my clearance sale at 80%. But after I calculating it, I am not getting revenue at this discount sales. It's not clearance sale. Clearance sale, I'm still getting a clearance revenue of 2,698 ringgit.80. But at my discount sale, I am getting a negative revenue. So this is I need to change. As after calculating it from 20%, I'm changing it into 16% for the discounted sales. 60%. So I can get a higher total revenue, which is 6,869 ringgit.20 for my total revenue if I revise my intermediate markdown or discounted sales, intermediate sales to 60%. So this, if I still using my early assumption, which is 20%, I would only get my total revenue only 4,477 ringgit.20. Instead, if I change it into 60%, I will get my total revenue 6,869 ringgit.20 as my total revenue for selling my sambal ikan bilis. So I am revising my discounted sales to 60%. So this is changing. My early assumption is 20%, but I'm changing it into 60%. Then we go to next. We have my outsourcing decision model. So this is my outsourcing decision model. Whether it is better for me to produce on my own or to buy it from supplier. So after calculating it, I believe that I want to manufacture it on my own instead of buying from suppliers. So it is because I can gain. I only need to bear 5 ringgit per cost instead of buying from a supplier 6 ringgit, which is higher than 5 ringgit. So for me, it's better for me to produce on my own, not purchasing from other suppliers. So it is better for me to produce on my own. So the conclusion for these assignments is I am revising only 3 of my early assumption, which is the unit price. I'm changing it to 13 ringgit, and the production volume only for my worst cases 600 units, but still I'm maintaining my 1000 units for my best cases. And next I'm changing it my discounted rate for intermediate sales from 20% to 60% to help me gain a higher total revenue, as I said earlier. Alright, so that's all I think I would like to present. So thank you for watching. I'm sorry for my fasting because I need to change the time. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you.